My name is Ameer Godugu. I believe that life is a journey. Every life will have a story. Here I am to present my story. For me, photography and videography are not just my hobbies. They are my way of freezing the emotions, capturing nature's magic, turning moments into memories. I love traveling, exploring new places, capturing breathtaking beauty that nature gives us. From the ocean to clouds, mountains to fields, sunrise to sunset.
Here I am presenting my visual stories. Begins in Gokarna, a place where the ocean meets the sky. I went there with the friends, and as we walked along with the cliffs, the waves below and clouds above felt like nature's orchestra. With my camera, I captured every shade of blue, the calmness of sea, the dance of the clouds, and those golden sunsets that still live in my memories. Next, I traveled with my family to Kerala, God's own country. I captured endless tea estates, misty hills, the peaceful backwaters with boats gliding over still water, the magical Varkala beach, and the vibrant artistry of Kathakali, Kerala's iconic dance drama. The sunrise on the lake with the birds flying across the orange sky, that was the moment I realized. Beauty does not shout, it whispers.
रुद्राक्षव धरिसिद परम वैष्णवनु
A solo monsoon trip to Maharashtra was a completely different experience. Nature was at its best: lush green hills, roaring waterfalls, adventure treks, and small peaceful village surrounded by 360-degree hills and clouds. Being alone there, I felt connected, not just with nature, but with myself. Behind every capture, every frame, and every moment, there is one person who always supported and encouraged me, my wife. She inspired me to keep exploring, keep creating, and keep dreaming. For me, photography is not just about clicking pictures. It is about telling stories. Stories of places, people, and emotions that stay forever. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my passion, my memories, and a piece of my heart. This is not just my talent. These are some of my stories in my journey. Thank you.